Imagine a world where past and present can coexist. One day, Pierre de Coubertin, the visionary behind the modern Olympic Games, miraculously found himself in the middle of a dragon boat race in ancient China.
Oh la la! Just look at the stunning dragon head, or should that be long head?
Ladies and gentlemen, Monsieur Coubertin will be our peddler today.
Such a lot of rowers. Bonne journée à tous.
Each boat typically holds 20 peddlers seated in pairs, along with a drummer at the front and a steerer at the back.
Oops, sorry.
Coubertin must find the rhythm and work in perfect sync with his team members. Hongzhou Gongji, all in the same boat. It perfectly captures the spirit of dragon boat racing. Together, we overcome difficulties. Whether in dragon boat racing or modern Olympic rowing, individual talent counts, but it is teamwork, unity, and cooperation that truly elevate the team's performance. That in 2021, they added one extra word to the Olympic motto that you chose.
Really? And which word might that be?
Together.
Faster, higher, stronger. Together! I love the addition. Well done to them.
Pierre de Coubertin's exploration of traditional Chinese sports continues. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures.
Mon Dieu, is this Chinese combo?
You both did great. 点到为止。